The best way to make money online in 2026 might not be what gurus promise. It's not a magic button or overnight riches story, but a real skill game where creators build trust and income. Imagine two friends starting at the same time. Alex spends months searching for the fastest online money method and jumps from one trend to another. Meanwhile, Sam starts a YouTube channel, learns editing, studies audiences, and improves one video at a time. After a year, Sam doesn't just have videos, he has a valuable skill stack. That's the hidden power of YouTube. In 2026, becoming a YouTuber is not only about being famous, it's about building digital assets. A good video can keep bringing views, subscribers, and income long after you upload it. Think of it like writing a book that can be discovered every day. Author James Clear, known for Atomic Habits, explains how small improvements compound over time, and YouTube works the same way. One better thumbnail, one stronger idea, one improved video can change everything. But there's a reason most people quit before seeing results. The biggest mistake people make is thinking YouTube money comes only from ads. In reality, creators today build multiple income streams: sponsorships, digital products, memberships, affiliate links, and even opportunities outside the platform. A small channel with a loyal audience can sometimes be more valuable than a huge channel with viewers who don't care. Look at the difference between two creators. One chases viral videos every week with random topics, hoping the algorithm saves them. The other understands a specific audience, creates useful content, and builds trust. The second creator is playing a longer game. Research from the creator economy shows that audiences increasingly follow people they trust, not just brands. This is why YouTube can be powerful. You are not just uploading videos, you are creating a relationship. But there's still one important question. Is YouTube really the best online business model for everyone? Here's the reality. YouTube is powerful, but it is not a guaranteed shortcut. It rewards patience, consistency, and understanding people. Many beginners quit because they expect their first 10 videos to make money, but those videos are usually training. They teach you what works, what fails, and what your audience actually wants. Think about a restaurant. The first meal a chef cooks probably isn't perfect, but every mistake improves the next one. YouTube is similar. Your first videos are your practice kitchen. According to psychologist Anders Ericsson's research on deliberate practice, improvement comes from repeatedly analyzing performance and making adjustments. Successful creators do exactly that. They study retention, thumbnails, titles, and comments. So, is becoming a YouTuber the best way to make money online? For some people, absolutely. But the real opportunity isn't the platform itself. It's the valuable skills you build while using it. YouTube isn't a shortcut to wealth, but it can become a powerful online career. Build skills, create value, earn trust, and let consistency compound your results.